Namaskar. Today I am here to share with you today's specialty. सबको पता है today the last full moon day of the earth 2020. After COVID-19, this is the month we have to pray and to end of the month. यही सबका wish है, right? Good or bad, nobody knows. But we pray from our heart for everyone. And we do that. And today the full moon day started from evening till tomorrow morning 7 o'clock. In this period of time, what you can do, I'm just going to share with you. Okay? And this is the most, you can get the most benefit out of that. What you do every day and today, that is completely different. So today, आपको chanting करना पड़ेगा and which god and goddess you can start now also. So as the specialty of the day, today you can do महालक्ष्मी मंत्र. कोई भी महालक्ष्मी मंत्र, अष्टोत्तर नाम और सहस्र नाम और ओम महालक्ष्मी नमः स्वाहा, ये भी कर सकते हो. You can do 108 times. Just sit. If you have mala, rudraksha or tulsi mala, you can hold, or you count in your finger. You can complete that 108 times minimum, and you can do 4 to 5 times mala also. You can do. And one more god you can pray today, Dattatreya. Om Dattatreya Namah. सबको पता है दत्तात्रेय कौन है? Dattatreya is a god represent of Shiva, Vishnu and Brahma. So you can pray him today. And one more thing I can say, till tomorrow 7 o'clock you can do. You have the lot of time to think what you need to do. You can put the ghee bati near to the tulsi at home, your puja place. Even you can keep it outside also one. And the same time you can do one more thing, secret. इफ चांदी का कॉइन और चांदी का कोई पीसेस हो, तुलसी का हमारा जो तुलसी पॉट होता है ना, वहाँ पे गाड़ दो. डिग इट एंड कीप इट द चांदी कॉइन, यू कीप इट इन द पॉलीथीन और लाइक स्मॉल पैकेट. इफ यू हैव एनी प्लास्टिक पैकेट, जस्ट कीप इट विद द सिंदूर. चांदी का कॉइन के साथ थोड़ा सिंदूर लगा दो एंड कवर करके तुलसी का मिट्टी का अंदर रख दो एंड कवर इट प्रॉपर्ली. सी द रिजल्ट. इट अट्रैक्ट्स the abundance, and we do for our all the good wishes to be complete, our desire to be completed. Most of the materialistic desires are there. सबके साथ है ये, छोटा हो बड़ा हो. The abundance of prosperity, success, good luck, happiness, it's just we have to do for that. We are working behind every day for that only. And how to clear our karma, that is also most important. And one more thing I will say, you can do meditation, full moon day meditation. You can do. That is most important. Just leave your all the all your work, everything, all thought, you keep it aside and sit and do meditation for half an hour. Minimum 30 minutes to 45 minutes. You can do that. And generally लोग आज खीर बनाते हैं. खीर को आप बाहर रख सकते हो. आपका घर में क्रिस्टल भी है तो क्रिस्टल भी बाहर रख सकते हो. टुडे यू कीप इट आउटसाइड. मोस्ट ऑफ द एनर्जी इट एब्जॉर्ब टुडे, द पॉजिटिव एनर्जी. खीर, इवन राइस, व्हाट वी यूज द आटा राइस, वी कैन कीप द डब्बा आउटसाइड. सो इट एब्जॉर्ब द एनर्जी, द वाइब्रेशंस, and it goes to our body, right? So these are the small things we just need to clarify with ourselves. What we are doing, little bit change of the life, little bit. If you do, you get the most benefit, and your pleasure, your desire to be completed, right? So ये सब थोड़ा थोड़ा चीजें आप करते रहो. देखो, gradually you will be improved. Definitely 100%. I felt I'm doing. एंड मेरा अनुभव है ये भी आपके साथ यही होगा. बट दिल से करो, ऐसा नहीं कि somebody told I'm sharing with you and you need to do. No, आपका मन में नहीं होता तो मत करो. Do from the heart and 100%, or else don't do. People, they don't do, don't care, and they wait for, okay, let's see what is happening to us. If you can do, it's well and good. Right? Everything is challenge for yourself. So I think you like my video. Share and subscribe, and bye bye.